fashion show?
My girls will follow soon.
Okay, we're having how do you find this?
Awesome! I never thought that in our own backyard when we had the pool that we could do this, but now we don't have a pool, so now we can do this.
We're even thinking of doing an oval skating rink now.
That'd be awesome.
I didn't catch it. What did you say, Sam?
Yeah, this is cool.
What are we doing?
We're drinking hot chocolate. I'm eating cake. Who wants a little piece of cake? Me.
To catch the fire, see?
What?
We even have a little foyer going on in the back.
Sur les lèvres, c'est que je veille à ses côtés. Mamie, j'ai le cœur à l'envers. Le temps ravive le cerfeuil. Je ne veux pas être tout seul. Quand l'hiver tournera de l'œil. Fais du feu dans la cheminée. Je reviens chez nous. S'il fait du soleil à Paris, il en fait partout. Porte avec mes bagages un goût qui m'était étranger, moitié dompté, moitié sauvage. C'est l'amour de mon